How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys the best VPNs for PS4 and PS5 if you're looking for a good VPN to unblock geo-restricted streaming content. If you want to access games first, because some games are released on different dates in different regions, so you'll be able to just switch your regions on your PS4 or PS5 and get access to these games a little bit earlier. You'll be able to switch up some servers, which means you can connect to gaming servers in different regions to play with friends overseas, for example, and stay protected from DDoS hits. Now, I've tested over a couple of dozen VPNs and I've narrowed it down to these three as the best overall for PS4 and PS5 based on how easy they are to set up on your router. Since you can't install a VPN directly onto a PlayStation, you'll need to be able to set it up on your router. And since this can be a complicated process, I've selected VPNs that have guides and tutorials to make this as simple as possible. So you've got Express, Nord, and Surfshark. Of course, they all vary in budgets and features, so pick and choose depending on your own situation, what you're looking for out of your VPN, your own specific needs and preferences, and budget, of course. So you've got ExpressVPN, which is going to be my top pick since their application for their router is just going to be the best and easiest to use. NordVPN and Surfshark have great router applications too, but considering the ease of use of the router application of ExpressVPN and the user interface that just makes the user experience very, very enjoyable and very user-friendly, I would recommend ExpressVPN. Of course, make sure that you have a compatible router, and all these VPNs will have detailed guides on how to install your VPN, whether you have a compatible router or not. Obviously, it's more recommended if you have a compatible router, and some of these routers also come pre-installed with Express, Nord, or Surfshark, depending on which router you get. Of course, all of that will be detailed in the guides on these websites. Now, of course, all these VPNs have a strict no-logs policy, great speeds. They're great for unblocking streaming services if you use your PS5 or PS4 to stream content on Hulu, BBC iPlayer, or Netflix. You'll be able to unblock all kinds of streaming services using these VPNs. They have great customer support to help you set up your VPN on your router if that's something you need help with. And they vary in budgets. So, whether you're looking for something that's premium like ExpressVPN or something that's more budget friendly, these VPNs will cover all of that. Now, ExpressVPN has over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, and you'll be able to secure up to 5 devices per subscription. But if you're obviously using a router, you'll be able to secure as many devices as you want to connect to your router, essentially. And it's just a great VPN overall, very consistent, reliable, incredibly easy to use with a strong emphasis on privacy and utmost anonymity. Now, NordVPN will come with a whole bunch of bonus features that can be pretty useful. You've got over 5,400 servers in 60 countries, and you'll be able to secure up to 6 devices per subscription. It's a very well-rounded VPN that offers a whole lot of features and a lot of value for a very reasonable price. Now, if you're looking for the best budget VPN that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost, you can go with Surfshark with over 3,200 servers in 100 countries. And since you're going to be using it on your router, you'll be able to secure any device that's connected to the router. But still, you can connect virtually an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription without having to use a router with Surfshark. So you can share your account with as many friends and family members as you would like, making Surfshark a great option if you want to share your account with more than a few people. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below if you want to jump straight to that. And you'll find links to the full reviews if you want to learn more about the privacy policy, speed, streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And of course, they're all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive these VPNs for 30 days risk-free. Otherwise, you could simply get yourself the refund if you're not satisfied for whatever reason. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.